Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Out today on the Honda CT125. So this will be my second ride after my surgery. So I go out and check out some roads. Can't do nothing too rough after the surgery, not for a while. It's not too bad as long as I don't hit big bumps. I might try a little, ooh, there's a little whirlwind right there. Try a little dirt. Let's see, that may be too rough. I'm riding on the dirt. It don't hurt too bad until I hit large bumps. A lot of these roads have been washed out because of the monsoon rains here in Arizona. So I may have to turn around, depends on what I get into. That car come through here, so it can't be too bad. Hey, they're taking it easy too. Yeah, right here's a big hole. Yeah, it's kind of rough here. It's not the worst. I'll try to turn right here, I guess. We'll see. It's not too bad as long as I don't hit the big bumps, so I think I'm okay on the dirt. I got my tires aired down, so it helps not having the tires at 20-30 pounds of air. They're aired down to 14 right now, I think. It's been a while since I checked them actually, so I'm not positive about that. People got their trash cans out today. It's trash day. Trash day on Monday. Ooh, here's a big one. We'll go around that. I've not been on a lot of these roads, so this is all just kind of guessing here. The dirt roads here are wide, most of them, compared to Missouri. Skinny dirt roads, these are wide dirt roads. This, when it gets wet, this is a muddy mess, I guarantee you. Tell by the looks of it here. And that's rock. Don't look like anybody lives there. Main thing is if I get going too fast and then hit those bumps, that's when it's rough. Just kind of going slow like this. I'm only doing 17 miles an hour right now. I'm going pretty slow. Didn't realize I was going that slow. I'm not worried about stitches coming loose or nothing. It's pretty much growing back. I don't think that to be a problem. Just don't want the pain. A lot of mesquite. See that stuff there is mesquite. Mesquite everywhere out here. And yeah, it has stickers on it. Thorns, actually. Not little stickers, they're actually thorns. You don't want to run into one of them, that's for sure. Make a bad day out of it. A little horse ranch there. This will be a big mud hole when it's full. That'd be deep. Pretty big hole. Ooh, that's some deep, deep sand right there. So a lot of these roads here, they're not maintained by the county. There's no maintenance, I guess. I guess if it gets fixed, it's the farmers or the people out here take their own tractors and fix them. But ooh, kind of wishy-washy sand here. Getting that deep sand. That's why they're in such bad shape. They don't get graded. Some of them do. The one we live on, it does. It gets graded by the county, I guess. Yeah, this road's in bad shape, really. It's, I guarantee you when this is, well, I need to come over here after a rain, but them mud holes would be deep, deep. Some of them probably 3 or 4 feet deep. Not that one there, but the one on back would have been. Like, look at this one here. I guarantee you, it'll be 3 foot deep. See that sign I just passed there said no county maintenance. And it looks like this I can't really tell if this one used to be paved, chip and seal maybe. Thought I saw some right there. Gonna drop off into a wash here. A little canyon down in here. There's some sand big time right there. Whoa, yeah. I can feel it too. That sand robs your power, and the way to go in sand is get on the gas. I used to ride a 1990 CR500 and took it to the sand dunes. Had a big old paddle tire on the back, and you talk about rip. I mean, that CR500 in the sand with the paddle tire, that dude would rip. Now you don't just putt around, you get on and go, but once you do, hang on, because it was a ride. And it was pretty awesome. And it loved the drag races. That thing, I won a lot of drag races on the CR500. Smoked them four-wheelers and buggies. Which road is going to end down here? I thought it went on through, but I could see on my map that it ends down here. That's what she looks like. Looks like it's headed straight to that mountain, but it don't. That's the end of it. The end of the road. Well, guys, I'll end this video here then, and I'll get one started again, but we'll go somewhere else, I guess. So, thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. I got lots more videos coming, especially when I get to where I can get back on the 300L and the Gold Wing and do some more riding, bigger rides and stuff. But appreciate all of you, and appreciate all your prayers you've given for me, and God is with me. Jesus Christ is my Savior, and so blessed to have Him by my side through all this. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Ride on.